like my mom because she always gives us food and lets us go on expensive vacations like to Hawaii. My mom always lets me have fun usually, and it's me do some stuff without brothers. My mom let me go to a candy place with my dad for his first time, and none of my brothers went. I like when you hug me. I like when you work out to school. She lets us have video games, lets us have fun. When I'm sick, she always cares for me. My mom helps me a bunch with school. I like when you take me to vacations and gives me medicine when I have a bad headache. And lets me eat a lot. What were you talking about again? I like when you clean up the house. I love you, Mom. I love you, Mom. I love you, Mom.